Welcome. If you want to change default application in your XIAOMI Mi 10T, and the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down and find apps. Move to the move to the manage apps and click on this right upper corner on the three dots and tap on the default apps. Right now we can change the browser application, for example. So we got three choices. I'm going to set up the Google Chrome. So click, then you can just go back, and as you can see, our default browser has changed. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.